Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Safewise Smart Home Insurance Discounts, full guide step by step clearly. Locate the section dedicated to smart home insurance. Review the details about the available discounts and coverage options. Scroll down to find the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your full name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Select your state of residence from the drop-down menu. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your information is complete, click the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to verify your registration. Follow the link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Safewise website and log into your new account. Navigate to the Smart Home Insurance section again. Explore the different insurance plans available to you. Select the plan that best fits your needs and budget. Fill out the application form with the required details. Provide any necessary information about your smart home devices. Add your address and additional property information as requested. Review your application for accuracy before submitting it. Once submitted, wait for a response regarding your eligibility for discounts. If approved, you will receive detailed information on how to activate your discounts. Follow the instructions provided to enjoy your Safewise Smart Home Insurance discounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.